Hello, my name is Tom Boyd from the CA Ops MVS support team. In this video, I will be discussing the new OPSLOG OJOBNAME, CART, and CARTX data display fields that became available with the CA Ops MVS release 12.3. Today's agenda will feature an overview of this enhancement, along with all prerequisites needed to use it, activation requirements, and other operational aspects, then demonstrate the use of this functionality. The purpose of this presentation is to show the OJOBNAME display field functionality, as well as the CART and CARTX fields. For most events, both OJOBNAME field and the existing job name field contain the name of the job generating the event. For branch enter WTOs, job name contains console instead. OJOBNAME allows you to obtain the original job name of the job generating the event. What is the OJOBNAME? It's an OPSLOG data display field used to determine the original job name or the address space the target WTO came from, which then enables the customer to write more effective automation rules. Within the OPSLOG, this enhanced functionality allows the customer to show the originating job name, address space where the event evolved from the primary command or from a function call. The CART. The CART is the command and response token that can be used to match a command with a response to that particular command. The CART and CARTX fields on the OPSLOG command can be used to then match the response to the events. This is normally only needed during debugging command response type of problems. At the base level of the Ops MVS 12.3 release, this functionality will be in place. Otherwise, please refer to the enhancements to existing features section in the release notes for PTF information. The environmental information shown is a visual aid for demonstration purposes only, showing the background of the Ops MVS environment being used. The feature demonstration will be performed for the most part on the mainframe environment on the CA31LPAR in the OPS-KQA Ops main address space, which is the primary QA which I use and also known as the OPS-K subsystem. Some additional test information could be performed on behalf of the OPSLOG Web Viewer server, known as OPSLOG QA, which is also a primary QA address space which I perform my testing on. After completing the applicable prerequisite steps, simply starting the Ops 12.3 will inherently allow the OJOBNAME, CART, and CARTX features to be displayed in the OPSLOG events. You will now see a brief demonstration illustrating the following functionality for OPSLOG Browse: display of command listing and display shortcut commands, event pop-up information, the display default command, which now lists alphabetically, 3 new columns available: OJOBNAME, CART, CARTX, and updated event record details display showing the OJOBNAME. Hello, this is Tom Boyd from the Ops MVS team. Today's demonstration is for the OPSLOG enhancement for the expanding OPMO record size. This demonstration is specific to showing you the new display field for the OJOBNAME or the original job name. In the past, the only job name field that was available was the display for the job name field. And in certain circumstances, certain occasions, as in a branch entered WTO situation, the job name would be set to the console address space. Provided a brief example of some occasions where this is true. This is a sysview particular message where you're entering and exiting a session. You can see the GSVX message for these sessions starting and ending, and they're specific to, in this case, the console address space as the job name. Show the display command, show you the new available OJob name. The OJob name description says it differs from a job name on a branch entered WTO. So we'll select this particular field, stack this next to the job name, exit back into the ops log. You can compare the two values. Where you see the console address space is still showing for the job name field, but the OJob name field is reflecting the true or the original job name that caused the event to occur. In this case, it was a VTAM attached session entering the the sysview session. In this case, it was the TSO user ID was entering the particular sysview session. In addition to this, with our enhanced pop-up display fields, we also show the original job name field, or in this case it was console. And at the end of this display as well, you can see the original job name is set to this particular TSO user ID, mine in this case, to show where the original address space came from. Thank you. In addition to the changes to the OPSLOG Web View and the OPSLOG function have also been enhanced to show the OJob name or the original job name field value. In this case, I'm going to demonstrate the OPSLOG function. Outcalls is the keyword for the OPSLOG function call that will show you whatever available output fields are available. In this case, you can see I've added the OJob name field to this particular exec, which I'm going to execute at this time. Jump in the OPSLOG, set up a profile to capture this information ahead of time for demonstration purposes. I'm going to execute this particular Rex exec. And you can see the output from this particular exec, this particular timestamp, which is right now. So what I'm showing here is this information from this particular line number, which you can see above the value 1119, the original job name value, the job name value, which was the old value. If I display this whole particular message, you can see the line number is this 188216, card at 111933. sysv31ur was the original job name, and the existing job name was the console address space name. It's the message number, the timestamp, the original job name, the current job name. For more information on this topic and about the CA Ops MVS product release, please visit docops.ca.com and support.ca.com. Thank you. To summarize, presented a brief overview of the OJOBNAME, CART, and CARTX OPSLOG data display fields. We reviewed all necessary prerequisite information needed for using the feature and how to activate these enhancements. Lastly, we demonstrated how the functionality works after starting the 12.3 release level. Thank you for viewing this video. To learn more about CA Ops MVS, connect with other CA Ops MVS users, and share your own expertise, please visit the event management and automation community at the URL shown. This concludes training on the new OPSLOG OJOBNAME, CART, and CARTX display fields. For more information on OPSLOG enhancements and all things Ops MVS, please visit support.ca.com and docops.ca.com. Thank you.